Hey guys, Kyle here. So in today's episode, I'm gonna do something a little different. This is a installation video on the Vector rear seat JL Gladiator track e-dock. What that basically is you've seen before in our videos how we have the e-dock for the front, which is really helpful for our phone mounts, our radio mount, some GoPro mounts. It makes it really useful when we're on the road, we're doing trips and Amazon Flex and whatever else. So anyway, I thought it'd be nice once I saw that Vector came out with this really amazing product to go ahead and purchase it, thanks to my mom and dad for the birthday present or birthday gift. So the purpose of today's video is to show you guys how to install it. The reason that I bought it is Vector is the only one currently on the market that is selling this product that you don't have to drill anything, you don't have to put any screws into something, into like the sound bar or anything that's gonna be a permanent solution. This is using factory screws. They unbolt, you replace them with longer screws, and if you wanted to go back to original factory, you could. That's what I love about this mount. So anyway, let's get after it, show you guys what you got. So with the Vector e-dock, rear e-dock mount, it comes with the track, it comes with some extra hardware or longer hardware, some other hardware to make it mount, and I also bought 2 of the 20mm Vector e-dock track mounting bolts. That's those 2 with the nuts on them. And then obviously these are the mounting brackets, and then they don't provide any tools, but you're gonna need a 5mm, you're gonna need a 4mm and a 2.5mm hex key to be able to install all this. So don't forget, when you go to do this, you need those 3 tools to be able to put this together. All right, so the first steps, after I've got everything laid out and got all my tools ready, is you're gonna pre-kit the mount together before you go and install it. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that now. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the mounting brackets. You're gonna take them, flip them so the high side is like that. You're gonna take one of the nuts, put them just like so. This side over top. And then start the screw. This is where your 4mm. Okay, get it nice and snug. Don't over tighten because we'll have to make final adjustments. And then we're gonna take the other nut, run it down inside there, take the bracket, go like so, the other screw. Okay. All right, so now that we have the e-dock all pre-kitted, ready to go, we're gonna come back inside the Jeep and take out the factory screws, which are right there and right there. This is where the 5mm hex key comes into play. So you just set her up in there, get that one loose, the other one loose. Sorry, I'm doing this all one-handed. Do the other side. So now we'll take the longer screw and washer, put them together like so, put them then we'll do the other side. Those nice and snug. So now that the mounts are all in place, we're gonna go ahead and center up the track and then retighten everything to make sure it's all good to go. So that one there, loosen it up a little bit. Loosen that one up just a little bit. Oops. Make sure it looks centered. There, it looks better. All right, and then we'll just tighten it all back up. Tighten it up. Okay, now we're gonna take the little ball. We're gonna unscrew the nut from it, and then we're just gonna kind of shift these up in here. Just kind of shift up in there like that. And then we'll take our ball and attach it. Wherever we like. Do the same for the other one. Put it up in there like that. Take the ball. And when you know where you want them, let's shift these all the way to the outside. You can take your X key right through here. Get a nice little tug. Nice little tug. And you're all set. That mounts the JL Gladiator rear seat e-dock, which you can mount all sorts of different things off of it. So now that we've got the two different balls on here, it's just like all the other mounts up front. They mount off of a little ball, and you can put a phone mount, you can put an iPad mount, you can put a radio mount, you can put all sorts of mounts off of here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when you have a phone mount on here. All right, so I just took off the phone mounts from the front of our Jeep to mount here in the back because I don't have extra phone mounts yet. I'm gonna have to order them, just not sure what length I'm gonna need. So we're gonna mount those now. So all it is, like I said, it takes the little ball. So that little ball, this little clamp goes around it like so, and then I'll tighten this thumb screw up, but I have to have two hands to do it. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. All right, so now that the ball is mounted on the phone mount, or vice versa, that's kind of what it looks like. This is just a standard, I think it's like a 7 centimeter, or their regular length for 67 designs. And then on the other side, when I mount that one up, this is a bulletproof mount, and it is a regular for them as well. But anyway, yeah, you can just take your phone, mount it right in there like so, and yeah. So then the kids can sit here and watch movies, and if you have work to do on a long road trip and you have friends coming, or you have family, or your wife's driving you, you can chill back here, take a nap, and then do some work or watch a movie or whatever you need to do. So it's a really simple design. Looks really clean. Looks like it came from the factory. Yeah, the only thing I would say is that these are the longer, or the regular mounts. I would definitely, when it's time for me to order one, I'm gonna go with a shorter mount. Just because I think a shorter mount would look a lot better. It doesn't stick down as long. Maybe you want it to be longer, you know, so you can lay down in the back and still reach it. Yeah, let me get the other side mounted on. All right, so now I got the bulletproof, which is now Bullet Point Mounting Solutions. Got their regular phone mount up here. We've got a couple little Disney, or a Disney Soul character, and then back here I've got the little Lucky Charms leprechaun. Yeah, I think it's really simple, really clean looking, and maybe it'll help help your kids out, help you get some extra work done if you need. Yeah, if you got any questions, comments, put them down below. If I can help answer anything, let me know. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this and it was informative. I'm gonna take some photos, turn them into vector now. All right, we'll see you guys later.